So the valve cover gaskets are off. Found all sorts of crap. Like, you can see, I don't know where it went. Like, a piece of plastic was physically in that. Oh, tools on the ground. Yeah, there it is. That was in my freaking valve cover gasket. Ugh. I'm gonna get new rockers for this. Need something better than that. It looks like crap. God, I get. Oh, yeah, there we go, 302. So I don't actually have 302 heads on this piece of crap. Looks pretty good. These ones kind of decent. A little banged up. That looks to be okay. For a second, crap. Bolt, I didn't have one, so it's got crap in it. That's easy. We can fix that. Alright, next part. Alright. Carburetor's all. Yeah, that's what the carburetor is. It's all disconnected. Pop that off. Oh. Take that plate with me so I don't forget it. Yeah. Piece of crap 2-barrel. Pretty rusty. Dirty as hell. I'm gonna clean it all up. Doesn't matter if I put it inside with a little dirt in there because I'm gonna be putting degreaser through it. Try to peel this gasket off because you never know if you want to keep it. Oh, I've got a riser, so all at once. That's cool. Guess that's your oil injection. It's supposed to be a PCV valve, which, where the hell did that go? I don't know. There's a pipe around here that I had. Whatever. Oh, this pipe. Yeah, I don't think that PCV valve is going to work, but I have another one that came with the supercharger, which allowed oil to go in your supercharger. You know, in the intake. And like, it's nasty black, and I can't even clean it out. I took 2 hours in the tub, last night, cleaning, well, the inside of the supercharger, and it's still nasty. I don't really want to take it apart because I'm being lazy and cheap. But, oh great, battery's almost dead. So I lost light. Yeah, I can't even turn the light up. Alright, so it is a dual plane piece of crap. That gasket is partly destroyed to hell. But, yeah, I keep getting the sound that its battery's dying. Okay, so I'll leave it at that. I'm going to cover this thing up and go back inside.